Bayti Real Estate is delighted to offer this office space in the Arenco Building located in Dubai Investment Park 1. At 1,020 square foot, this unit will be offered as a fitted finish after completion of the refurbishment works. The unit is situated on the ground floor. The office is bright, compact and easily accessible from the entrance. Public transport available to and from the DIP metro station, visitor parking available, and with a good range of local amenities, this is a perfect area to position your business. To arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details provided in the description.